Welcome to LuxAutos, the ultimate destination for luxury and performance cars. Step inside this modern showroom where every vehicle is displayed with elegance and style, lights reflecting perfectly on glossy floors, and the atmosphere exudes premium class and automotive excellence. Muscle. Here in LuxAutos Showroom, the White Chevrolet Camaro commands attention. The camera circles its aggressive front bumper, showcasing the iconic badge, while the mirror-like white finish gleams under the showroom lights, making this Camaro look both powerful and elegant. The side view of the White Chevrolet Camaro in LuxAutos Showroom highlights its aerodynamic body. The camera glides along its sleek curves, and the glossy white paint perfectly reflects the surroundings, creating a dynamic and premium look for this legendary muscle car. The hood of the White Chevrolet Camaro inside LuxAutos Showroom is a masterpiece. The camera slowly moves forward, capturing each sharp contour and smooth white finish, showing the perfect balance of aggressive design and sophisticated craftsmanship. Look at the White Chevrolet Camaro's alloy wheels inside LuxAutos Showroom. The camera rotates to reveal the sleek design and metallic shine, while the showroom lights create reflections that make the wheels look elegant and performance-ready at the same time. The rear view of the White Chevrolet Camaro inside LuxAutos Showroom is pure power. The camera captures every muscular line, while the glossy white paint reflects the lights perfectly, emphasizing its sporty, high-performance character. The White Chevrolet Camaro's taillights glow brightly in red, creating a striking contrast with its white body. The camera captures every reflection in slow motion, showing how this car blends style, elegance, and performance perfectly inside the showroom. The White Chevrolet Camaro's side mirror reflects the entire LuxAutos showroom, capturing lights, shapes, and subtle reflections. As the camera glides smoothly along the car's side, every glossy panel highlights its pristine white finish, giving a perfect sense of elegance and muscular presence. Opening the door of the White Chevrolet Camaro inside LuxAutos showroom reveals a luxurious interior. The dark leather seats contrast beautifully with the white exterior, and the warm ambient lights highlight every curve and detail inside the cabin. The steering wheel of the White Chevrolet Camaro in LuxAutos Showroom is a perfect mix of sport and luxury. The camera zooms in to show stitching, buttons, and the Camaro emblem, with soft reflections on the white exterior adding depth and style. The dashboard of the White Chevrolet Camaro glows with advanced digital displays. As the camera pans across the sleek panels, the cabin reflects modern sophistication and high-tech elegance, perfectly complementing the car's bold exterior. The sporty seats of the White Chevrolet Camaro are highlighted under the showroom lights. The camera glides smoothly over the leather surfaces, showing textures and stitching, adding the sense of luxury and performance combined in one cabin. The center console of the White Chevrolet Camaro features clean lines and glossy finishes. The top-down camera captures reflections and ambient lighting, showcasing the car's attention to detail and premium interior design. The gear shift of the White Chevrolet Camaro is a perfect mix of style and functionality. The camera focuses on the knobs and buttons, with smooth motion emphasizing the high-quality materials and luxurious interior finish. From the back seat of the White Chevrolet Camaro, the cabin looks spacious and refined. The camera captures depth and detail, with soft background blur emphasizing the premium white exterior and modern interior design. Sitting in the driver's seat of the White Chevrolet Camaro, the cockpit feels sporty yet elegant.
The camera captures the glossy white exterior reflections and ambient lighting, making the cabin look both futuristic and performance-oriented. When the white Chevrolet Camaro door closes, the camera captures the subtle metallic reflections and the precision of the closing motion. Inside LuxAutos Showroom, the smooth white paint gleams, adding drama to this cinematic moment. The white Chevrolet Camaro rotates slowly inside LuxAutos Showroom as the camera orbits around it. Every angle reveals the glossy panels, soft reflections, and muscular design, highlighting the car's bold presence in cinematic style. Opening the hood of the white Chevrolet Camaro reveals a polished, powerful engine. The camera captures every metallic detail and reflection on the glossy white paint, showing the perfect combination of performance and style. The dual exhausts of the white Chevrolet Camaro look aggressive and sleek. Reflections from LuxAutos Showroom lights bounce off the glossy white rear, giving the car a premium and powerful stance. A subtle water mist effect on the white Chevrolet Camaro's front bumper creates a stunning visual. Showroom lights reflect perfectly on the white paint, emphasizing curves and giving a cinematic, high-end look. The white Chevrolet Camaro stands perfectly centered under a LuxAutos Showroom spotlight. The top-down camera slowly pulls back, revealing the full car, glossy white panels, and its bold, elegant silhouette. The camera glides along the body lines of the white Chevrolet Camaro, showing smooth curves and premium reflections. Every angle emphasizes elegance, aerodynamics, and the car's muscular American design. The Camaro badge on the white Chevrolet Camaro gleams under LuxAutos Showroom lights. The camera focuses closely on the emblem, showing its sharp metallic finish and symbolizing style, power, and heritage. The white Chevrolet Camaro's footwell glows subtly under ambient lighting. Reflections of the white exterior panels enhance the cabin's luxury feel, making every detail visually striking inside the showroom. Pressing the Start button of the white Chevrolet Camaro lights up the dashboard in LuxAutos Showroom. The camera captures every glowing panel and reflective surface, combining technology, elegance, and performance in one cinematic shot. Cold starting the white Chevrolet Camaro produces a subtle smoke effect from the dual exhausts. Reflections on the glossy white paint and soft showroom lighting create a dramatic and cinematic rear view. The camera glides smoothly over the hood of the white Chevrolet Camaro, capturing its sleek contours. Reflections from LuxAutos Showroom lights bounce off the white surface, emphasizing elegance and aggressive styling. The low-angle shot of the white Chevrolet Camaro in LuxAutos Showroom highlights its aggressive front stance. Reflections on the glossy white paint add depth, making the car appear bold, powerful, and ready to dominate. The rear quarter of the white Chevrolet Camaro is captured in cinematic detail. Showroom glass mirrors reflections of its curves, enhancing the sporty silhouette and giving the car a sleek, high-performance presence. The cabin of the white Chevrolet Camaro glows softly under ambient lights. The camera moves across the dashboard, seats, and trim, highlighting the luxurious and sporty interior perfectly matched with the white exterior. The infotainment screen of the white Chevrolet Camaro displays sleek graphics while reflecting showroom lights. The camera captures every detail,